Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Phan, has a question for us. Hey, Phan, what's up?
Hey Gina, can you make a ham and cheese croissant in a toaster oven?
Interesting question. Let's find out. Here we have some crescent roll dough, and over there some ham and cheese. We'll put the ham and cheese on the dough and roll it up. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Let's cover up with foil. Ooh! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small food we can make in our small oven. See you next time!